Bar chart types. Every trader reads the same market, but through different lenses. Your chart type defines how you see liquidity, structure, and manipulation. Line chart connects closing prices only, filters out noise, wicks, emotions. Great for defining macro bias, trend lines, and clean SR zones. Heavy exclamation mark symbol hash but hides liquidity grabs and false breakouts. What looks clean might be a trap wick on candles. Best for top-down analysis on D1W1, clean structure mapping, correlation studies across assets. Bar chart. Each bar shows open, high, low, close, OHLC, efficient, detailed, no fluff. Helps identify where the close sits within range, momentum or rejection. Used by systematic and institutional traders for its precision. Heavy exclamation mark symbol hash less visual clarity. Hard to feel flow compared to candles. Best for backtesting, break and retest confirmation by closes, mechanical trading systems. Candlesticks. Each candle tells a story. Body equals control, wicks equals rejection, shadows equals liquidity. Visual and intuitive, traders read market psychology candle by candle. Patterns like pin bars, engulfings, and doges reveal where orders fight. Heavy exclamation mark symbol hash but too many traders chase candle patterns without context. Every wick means nothing outside the higher time frame narrative. Best for entries and exits on H1M5, visualizing liquidity sweeps, reading order flow subscription and follow for more fire.